Spotlight in Cinema 4D are lights that can cover a specific spot that you set. Okay, so let's create a plane. This is the plane. Okay, and then let's create the spotlight. So we have the spotlight. By default, it's facing in the Z axis. So let's take the rotation tool and rotate it so that it faces down. Okay, let's move it up a little bit. So you see what the spotlight does. Okay, this is the spot that the spotlight affects. You can actually increase the spot range that it affects. So that is basically the spotlight in Cinema 4D. It is used to affect a certain spot, okay, in cinema on your scene. Okay, so you can use so many spotlights. Let's duplicate this spotlight. Okay, let's bend it towards the same light. Okay, and let's give this maybe a different color like green. Okay, so you see what it does. Okay, so this is using two spotlights. Okay, so that's what basically the spotlight does. It creates the light affects a certain spot, just a portion that the spotlight covers.